Let's look at another case study, MDM Medical, a medical device manufacturer. Again, we're not going to provide you with a lot of data points, and we're cherry-picking frameworks here for illustration purposes. Part of an analyst's due diligence will be seeking out other data, as well as conducting management interviews and other types of primary research. Of course, CFI has many courses available to our members that will round out your ability to conduct due diligence more effectively. This is just a quick example. For now, let's start to put together a simplified pastel analysis to better understand the business environment for a company operating in this industry. Healthcare reform in the US is a constant overhang for the sector. We could probably classify this as negative. On the other hand, the healthcare sector and medical device manufacturers specifically have relatively low sensitivity to economic cycles, largely since they aren't as levered to consumer spending as, say, the restaurant business. This is a positive. But let's say we're in a rising rate environment. This is generally not great for manufacturing businesses, which tend to borrow in support of CapEx, which we'll see. There are clear industry tailwinds when you consider demographic trends. The U.S. population is aging, and this increases demand for medical devices across the board. An interesting technological trend in healthcare is the growing popularity of what's called minimally invasive procedures, meaning surgical procedures conducted using arthroscopic technology, as opposed to more traditional invasive procedures. We actually don't know yet if this will serve as a positive or a negative catalyst for MDM. Same with an important environmental trend that we've identified. There is considerable and growing scrutiny around the types of materials and where they're being sourced that are going into medical products. This obviously presents both risks and opportunities. We don't know enough about MDM to decide which here, but as an analyst, you'd want that to help inform your line of questioning for management. And finally, an important legal factor is the constant overhang of potential liability from faulty products. Massive recalls can create black swan type uses of cash in the form of court-ordered settlements.